Hey y'all, hey, it's Bunny B. A lot of you have been asking about restaurants with a view on the beach. Well, we can't get no closer than this, and it's hot as Hades out here. So let's go take a look at it, and it's gonna roll by fast. Let's go.
What's happening, everybody? Beachin with the Boones here. And if you love Myrtle Beach and the surrounding Grand Strand area, make sure you click that subscribe button and hit that bell notification so you can keep beaching.
Damons Restaurant, located at 2985 right here on the strip.
Damons, the last restaurant found on the south end of Myrtle Beach's Ocean Boulevard. Specializing in everything from seafood and steak to chicken and barbecue and more. And if the stairs are too steep, they have a separate elevator, as well as a downstairs banquet and party area. But best of all, your dining experience will include a beautiful ocean view. And not just from the outside deck, the ocean can be seen from many of the seats inside the restaurant as well. So when you come down here on vacation, make sure you check out Damons Oceanfront Dining at the end of Ocean Boulevard.
The Wicked Tuna, located at 2nd Avenue Pier, right on the strip.
The Wicked Tuna has another location near the area, but this one is on the 2nd Avenue Pier. They offer an array of delicious seafood such as oyster Rockefellers, sushi, lobster, and more. But you can always get delicious non-sea items as well. Your view of the Atlantic Ocean is incredible. It's not just a view, this is as close as you can get. And there's plenty of parking. So, if eating on a pier with an ocean view is something you desire, try the Wicked Tuna on 2nd Avenue Ocean Boulevard.
The next oceanfront dining stop will be Sharkies Beach Club at 600 North Ocean Boulevard.
Sharkies offers roadside seating as well as those facing the ocean. And in between the Atlantic Ocean and this restaurant, you'll find the world-famous Myrtle Beach Boardwalk. Sharkies not only offers great food, but they also specialize in various drinks like Twisted Tea, Bahama Mamas, and numerous frozen drinks. We were lucky enough to get in here before they opened at noon, so we could have a nice walk around and capture the ocean view side of this beach restaurant. As you can see, they have plenty of seating with an outside bar. And with grilled salmon, fettuccine alfredo, and delicious seafood platter, you can't go wrong. And of course, a beautiful ocean view. That's Sharkies on Ocean Boulevard. Now, when it comes to restaurants with an ocean view, the Myrtle Beach Boardwalk has no shortages, and all of them have a beachy theme. There's Mo Moon's on the corner that offers appetizers, burgers, tacos, and of course seafood, and a wide variety of drinks. Down from them, you'll find Hurricane's Daiquiri Bar and Grill, home of the Margarita Man. They have burgers, shrimp baskets, chicken wings, and of course tons of daiquiris. Right next door is Abraham's Gyros. Serving up pizza, subs, and everything you can think of. But if something sweet is what you crave, you can hit Sweet Treats Fudgery and Chocolate Bar to find ice cream, candy, fudge, and a whole lot more. A little further, there's Dirty Don's that has oysters, crab legs, burgers, and Phillies. And on the last corner of this section of the boardwalk is the Oceanfront Bar and Grill, which has burgers, seafoods, and more.
Alright, and always remember you can come to 14th Avenue and always hit both of these. You got Pier 14 and Riptides.
Riptides Oceanfront Grill and Rooftop Bar. Not only does this place have great food, but they have fun games inside and outside for everyone in your family. They offer steaks, tacos, and lots of seafood dishes. And lots of fun too. That's Riptides on Ocean Boulevard. And just a few steps away is another great place with an ocean view. Pier 14, right on the ocean. If a view is what you're looking for, then this is it. They offer salmon, grouper, tuna steak, and much more. But the best part is, you guessed it, the view. If you're looking for it, it'll be right off 14th Avenue North, Ocean Boulevard. Almost behind Riptides. That's Pier 14 Restaurant, Lounge, and Fishing Pier.
The Sea Captain's House, right off of 3002 30th Avenue.
The Sea Captain's House is further north than many of the others on our list, but it's a bit more laid back. It boasts an outside patio area with bar and a grassy area with 4 and 6 tops closer to the ocean. With Bang Bang Shrimp, Carolina Flounder, and Steak and Chicken, who wouldn't want to eat beside this spectacular view? And they have lots of parking across the street. So if you're in the area, check out the historical Sea Captain's House, Oceanfront. That's just a sample of the many restaurants down here in Myrtle Beach with an ocean view. If you get down here, let us know what your favorite restaurant is. Until next time, keep beaching.